Building AI apps can feel like navigating a complex maze, but what if I told you there are two powerful tools that can turn that maze into a streamlined highway? Today, we're diving deep into a head-to-head comparison, Langflow versus Langchain, to uncover which is the best AI app builder for your specific needs. First up, let's talk about building custom applications. Langflow offers a visually intuitive drag-and-drop interface. Imagine Legos for AI. You can easily connect different components like language models, data sources, and tools without writing a single line of code. This makes it incredibly accessible for beginners and those who prefer a visual approach. Langchain, on the other hand, relies on code. You'll need to define your application's logic using Python and Langchain's modules. This provides immense flexibility and control, but requires a solid understanding of programming concepts. Think of it as building with raw materials versus prefabricated bricks. Integration is key. Langchain shines with its extensive library of integrations. It supports a vast ecosystem of language models, vector databases, and other AI services. Langflow, while rapidly expanding, might require more manual configuration for certain less common integrations. When it comes to deployment, Langflow offers a smoother experience. Its visual nature and simplified workflows can expedite the deployment process. Langchain requires more manual configuration and scripting for deployment, offering greater control, but also increased complexity. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your priorities and technical expertise. Langflow excels in ease of use and rapid prototyping, while Langchain provides unparalleled flexibility and control for experienced developers. So, consider your project scope and your coding comfort level to choose the perfect tool and start building incredible AI apps today.